So today project, we got this Honda Civic EXL V6. Basically tune up. We're gonna do spark plug, filter, transmission fluid, engine fluid, engine oil, and then last but not least, timing job, water pump, timing belt, serpentine belt. So yep. So here's all the part that we need. So yep. And this is the car. Timing belt, Honda. And this is supposed to be like this, okay? Marking. So nói à. Đây rồi. Yep. Oh my god. It's too tight. The harmonic balance. Oh my god. Lampan lang. I think we're even this. Đâm mò, đâm chụp bay sao bay sao bay lại. Oh. Even this kind of the main body, just the whole body just move it. So we got the top range, so we got it, I guess, unless it's stripped. So sắc vào. Let me try with my impact gun. Okay, ngay. So everything is good now. Just driving it, no song at all. No, nothing. Last time even start like knocking like tuck. So everything is good now. Replacing timing belt, water pump, and tune up everything. Transmission fluid, engine oil, spark plug. Nothing, no sound. So Honda Accord V6 3.5. This is guys.